In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively connect your broker account to TradingView and utilize trailing stops to manage your trades efficiently. First, let's dive into the importance of trailing stops. Trailing stops are crucial tools in managing risk and maximizing potential profits by adjusting to favorable market movements. They allow your stop order to follow the market price, ensuring you have the best chance to ride profitable trends while protecting your gains. This is why the first thing you need to do is make sure you are connected to a live broker account. So once you're in TradingView, head to the bottom of your screen to open up the trading panel. Here, you'll be able to see a list of supported brokers. Choose your broker from the list and follow the prompts to connect your account. This connection is essential because trailing stops require live trading through a broker, and TradingView acts as a bridge to help execute these orders seamlessly. With your broker account connected, you're ready to place a new order using a trailing stop. Whether you're looking at a specific chart or directly from the trading panel, click on the buy or sell button to open the order window. This is where the magic happens. Inside the order window, there's a section dedicated to stop loss orders. Normally, you might enter a fixed stop loss, but here, look for the option that allows you to activate a trailing stop. Depending on your broker's platform or TradingView settings, this might be a checkbox or a drop-down menu. Selecting the trailing stop means your stop order isn't fixed at a single price, but dynamically adjusts with the market's movements. Next, you'll need to set the trailing distance. This is a crucial step, as it defines how closely your stop follows the market price. You can specify this distance in points, ticks, or even as a percentage, providing flexibility to suit your trading strategy. Let's say you choose a trailing stop of 10 points. This means that as the market price moves in a favorable direction, your stop will automatically stay 10 points away from the current price, updating as needed. This dynamic adjustment helps safeguard your position, especially in fast-paced markets. Now, before executing your order, take a moment to review all your details carefully. Ensure that the trailing stop settings align with your trading plan. Once you're satisfied, submit the trade with the trailing stop activated and feel confident knowing your trade is being managed according to your specifications. Finally, remember that once your order is placed, trailing stops can be modified or even canceled if your strategy changes. You have the flexibility to do this either through your broker's platform or directly from TradingView's trading panel. This adaptability is what makes trailing stops so powerful for active traders. With that, you're all set to start using trailing stops effectively in your trading strategy. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy trading.